Right now, inside a clean room on Florida's Space Coast, a fully fueled space telescope is waiting for a ride. Its mirror is almost 8 feet wide. Hubble class, spy grade, secondhand. A US intelligence agency built that mirror to stare down at Earth. It never flew. On August 30th, NASA launches it, pointing the other way. The Nancy Grace Roman Space Telescope has one job nothing else can do: figure out how common planets like ours actually are. Kepler found thousands of worlds, but mostly ones hugging their stars. Planets in orbits like Earth's, still mostly a blank page. So, 3 questions. How do you count planets you can't even see? Why did the White House try to kill this telescope 3 separate times? And will it really find Earth 2.0? Stick around, because the answer to that last one has a twist. Roman's trick is gravity. When one star drifts in front of a more distant one, its gravity bends the background starlight and briefly magnifies it, like a lens sliding across a flashlight. If the nearer star has a planet, that planet adds its own tiny spike of brightness. That's microlensing, and it catches planets every other method misses. Roman will stare at 6 patches near the galaxy's crowded core, about 9 full moons of sky, snapping a 300 megapixel image every 12 minutes for 438 days of total watch time. NASA expects more than 1,000 new planets from this survey alone. But planets are only half the story. Here's the part most coverage skips. In 2012, the National Reconnaissance Office, the agency that flies America's spy satellites, handed NASA 2 Hubble-sized telescopes it no longer wanted. Never flown, built to look down. One of those mirrors is now Roman's eye. And the optics that make a spy telescope good at sweeping terrain make it spectacular at sweeping sky. Every Roman image covers roughly 100 times more area than Hubble's infrared camera. A camera built for secrets, flipped to count worlds, which makes what happened in Washington even stranger, because Washington tried to cancel this telescope. 3 budget requests in a row, from 2018 to 2020, proposed killing it outright. Congress refused every time. Last year, the White House offered it barely half the money Congress ultimately provided. Lawmakers restored full funding this January. And here's the twist. The team delivered the telescope within its $4.3 billion lifecycle cost, running 8 months ahead of schedule. In an era of late, over-budget flagships, Roman is the counterexample. So close the loops. You count unseen planets by catching gravity-bend starlight, over 1,000 of them, if the forecasts hold. The telescope survived because Congress overruled the White House 3 times, and the team answered by finishing early and on budget. And Earth 2.0? Honest answer, Roman won't photograph one. Most of its discoveries will be one-time flashes, thousands of light years away, gone the moment they fade. What Roman delivers is the number. As astronomer Jesse Christensen puts it, we still don't know how common Earth-like planets are, and this survey will provide the answer. That number decides what NASA builds next. The Habitable Worlds Observatory, the machine designed to actually photograph another Earth. Its budget nearly hit 0 last year too. That fight is the next video.